Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video where I grab something that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the Kicker KPX series Marine and Power Sports full range amp that's 300 watts and 4 channels, or the KPX300.4. The KPX300.4 is a 4-channel amplifier that is built to power every speaker in your ride. Engineered specifically for motorcycles or space-compromised installs, this weather-resistant amp delivers huge power without getting in your way, ensuring incredible sonic performance and long speaker life that has never been easier with a variable of 12 decibel crossovers and independent gains. A wide range of input levels make this amp easy to hook up with virtually any factory or aftermarket radio. Now, let's talk a little bit about its features. It has a 350 watt dynamic power and 300 watts of RMS power. Its frequency response ranges from 10 to 20 kHz, and it has a low level of 125 MV to 5V, and a high level of 250 MV to 10V, or volts. The price on this thing is $349.99, and if you're interested in this, you can come get this at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/kicker. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel. And also comment something you would like to see unboxed. In the meantime, thanks for watching.